Hey guys, so this is a very short video to show you how you go about sharing your final draft document with a classmate and how to comment. So just follow along with me. If you're not familiar with how to do this, this will make it pretty simple. So for your peer editing, if you're in person, you're going to be sharing your document with each other and you're going to be giving each other feedback. And you're going to share it with three different classmates in three different rounds. But in order to do that, you need to know how to share. So you first go to the share button and you click that. And you're simply going to type in the name of your classmates that you're sharing it with. So let's say I'm going to share mine with Miss Johnson. So I type her name in there. And Mr. Capri, I type his name in there. And then Miss Webb, I would type her name in there. And because they're commenting, and I don't really want them to edit my paper, I just want them to have access to actually comment it. I'm going to change this from where it says editor, and I'm going to change it to commenter. And then I'm going to write a note for them. I'm going to say argumentative essay, oops, argumentative essay, Nikki Abban, so that they know which one it is, because they're going to be getting these notifications from a few different classmates. So it's important that I put my first and last name, and then I would send it to them. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to send it to myself so I can show you what it looks like on a Gmail. But just know that you can send it to all three of the classmates that are going to be working on your essay at once. So let me just send it to myself. Again, I made myself a commenter and I put a note. So I sent it to them. So then the person who is doing my first round would go to their Gmail and they would simply go to find what I sent. So let me go to my KIP Gmail, and it should be at the very top of my inbox. It's going to say argumentative essay, final draft, invitation to comment. So that's what's going to look like when someone sends it to you. And it will say the person's name. So if this was my first round and I wanted to do my classmates, I would just open this up and then. So I just clicked it by clicking the button here, but you can also open it up by opening the email itself and then scrolling down and clicking the document here, right? So you can click it, it says open in docs, or you can click this right here and then it will open. So that's the step. You just go to your email, you see the notification and open your peer's draft. So once you have it open, you're simply going to go through and you're looking for punctuation mistakes, capitalization mistakes, and you're just making edits. So well, you're actually not making edits. You're making comments so that your peer can edit. So for example, I'm looking at my peer's intro paragraph, and I noticed a mistake here. It says, in Eliza Carbon's Blood on the River, the colonists explore this very question. I know that my peer has this capitalized, but they forgot to put it in italics. So I want to leave them a comment so that they'll remember. I'm going to highlight the text, which I just did now, and I'm going to click the comment button here. You can also click the comment button up top where it says add comment. Either one works. But make sure you're clicking this blue button here or this button up top, but you're not clicking suggest edits. That's a little bit different. If you click that and you write something, that means you're changing to a different mode. And that means when your classmate edits it or clicks the check mark, it will actually change your paper. So please make sure you're actually only clicking this blue document. So it's just words and that your classmate can make their changes themselves. So I would say, hi, make sure that your titles are italicized, right? It's a reminder for my classmates to make sure that their title is italicized, and I would leave this comment. And then your classmate would see this comment later and saying, oh, this person left a comment, and they would then go and change it, right? So they would highlight this and you'd go and italicize it. And once you make that change after your comment, then go ahead and click it as resolved. If you click this check before you make the change, the words are going to go away and you might forget what your classmate said. So like I did, I changed it, I made it italicized, and then I'm done with this one and I click resolved. And that's pretty much how you're going to go about going through different changes that your classmates make and how you would go about making comments. So again, you're sharing to their email, you're checking your Gmail to see which ones you've received from your other classmates, and you're just going through and commenting using the comment function. So that's it, and good luck.